Welcome to Pet Writing Part 2. As you can see on the right hand side, there's a sample of an exam paper, especially the page that says Part 2. What do you have to do? Here you choose whether to write an article, question number 2, or a story, question number 3. You have to write about 100 words either way. For the article question, you will have a notice or announcement asking for the article, just like here. Write an article telling us about your shopping habits. Here the key words are shopping habits. This will give you the topic, shopping, and 1 or 2 questions to answer. Do you enjoy shopping or hate it, and why? For the story question, you will be given the first sentence of the story. In this case, here you see, Sandy picked up the key and looked at it carefully. That's the beginning of the story. How do you do it? Read question 2 and question 3 and decide which one interests you most. You don't have to write both, you have to write only one. If you choose question 2, make your articles as interesting as possible. Answer any questions that are included in the announcement and stick to the topic. So in this case, you have to make a statement whether you enjoy shopping or hate it, and you have to give your reasons. And you have to make it interesting for the reader. If you choose question number 3, which is the story, make sure your story is clearly linked to the opening sentence. You will lose marks if the examiner cannot see how your story follows on from the first sentence. So you have to link your story to parts of the first sentence. Do not write too few or too many words. If you write too few, you will lose marks, and if you write too many, you have more chance of including unnecessary information and making mistakes. So here is how it works. You have approximately 20 minutes to do that activity, and you have 5 minutes to look it up and check for spelling, grammar mistakes, or maybe some repetitions and correct them with other words. And then your time is gonna be up. So this is how much time you have to spend on writing part 2. Since the whole writing section of PET exam is 45 minutes, and remember that for the first part you spend 20 minutes, so here you only have 25 minutes tops. Remember, this is something that you're gonna have to write by hand. Try to write legibly. Make sure you practice a few more times to see how much is 100 words for you, and we're going to talk in another video about how to structure an article and how to structure a story. And that's it from the video. Thank you.